or give me according to you gauging them, right? So I'm going to use what you guys are giving me to determine who won. All right. 1, 2, 3 for South Blakey. 1, 2, 3 for CUT. Okay. It sounds same but different. Same but different. Okay, one more time. So Blakey. CUT. It's a tie, right? Sounds like a tie. It's a tie. All right. So they walk away with this pepper. Come on, guys. Come with me. All right. So they're gonna walk away with these pepper sprays that Sensei Joe has sponsored today, so that they can be able to defend themselves in cases of attack. This is very important, guys. Right? All right. A warm round of applause to them. All right, thank you guys. You may be seated. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our next participant. Guys, I love the energy in the room, eh? It's so vibrant. It's so, guys, come on. All right, so now we're going to move on to Mr. Pagamile Zangwa, who is our fourth contestant today within the existing business tech category. And he's going to tell us about KZNetworks. A warm round of applause.
One, two. Hey, andazi buyasebenza ngale mic. Cela nikhahlele nithi Zangwa. Kanikhahlele nithi Zangwa. Silinde i-technology apha. Mina ndinguphakamile we-technology. uZanga ukhwala uncuthu unonto ezimnandi. Unikwanto into onganiki intombi ezinika ngokwayo. Isikhumba simnyama sesenyamazana sesala phesha komlanjana. Ndizama ngomfazi sobele litho oncancisa abantwana phesha komlambo. Remember, we only have 1 minute. Kanikhahlele nithi Zangwa.
Pagamile.
Okay, timekeeper, please tell me when to. Timekeeper. For every cracked screen or a slow device, we're saying don't throw it away. Scan it, diagnose it, and fix it smarter. We are KZNetworks, revolutionizing repairs, restoring the future. Every day, thousands of South Africans throw away devices because it is expensive to fix them. And they are assuming that they can't afford it. And as a result, throwing them away increases the e-waste, and the e-waste is harmful to our communities and to our health. KZNetworks is a device repair institution focusing on smartphone repairs, and we have a prototype of an AI-powered diagnosing tool that is going to troubleshoot the device using artificial intelligence and suggest a fix. After installation, the users have to click Start Diagnosis, and it's going to automatically diagnose your device and recommends what to fix at a certain amount and locate you to the nearest technician. South Africa's repair market is worth 2 billion rands, and we are targeting 215,000 just in our community of Welcome. For us to be able to do that, we need to continue using social media, website, giving out promotions, and many others that we are currently continuing to do. On top of device repairs, we also offer maintenance services. On top of that, we offer deployment of IT infrastructure. As you can see that we are also installing CCTV cameras, and we offer subscription-based models. Unlike our competitors, we offer more than guarantee. Our AI is going to assist you to book an appointment so that we can come to you at your own time, and the installation of devices and equipment makes us very unique. With just 12 months of existence, we've repaired more than 260 devices, and we've raised 15,000 rand that we heavily invested it on our equipment, and the AI chat box is about to be finalized. Our finances are still low, and for now it's because of we are affordable, and every client, after we assist them, they also recommend other clients to come, and that's how we also getting more clients. We are having a team of 3 IT technicians, 2 are field technicians, and 1 is an AI developer. We're seeking 100,000 of funding to purchase more equipment like the microscope, zoom, skeleton, and also to finalize our system and the prototype of ours so that we can launch it. We are going to scale through offering training and skills development in partnership with NEMISA, and this AI of ours is going to go to the world and change the world. Thank you very much.
Over to you, judges.
Buji, thank you for that great presentation. Help me understand your system. You see what just happened? You dropped your phone and the screen, went haywire. So now how does the AI app run, to diagnose a phone like that?
Thank you very much for your question. Well, because of it's a software operates inside the phone. And once your phone is damaged, it's beyond repair, we cannot use the software. So it's important for you to use our software as soon as you purchase your device. Meaning, after you buy your device, you have to install our system, and once your system is on your phone, every information of your phone and the history of diagnosing is going to be saved on the cloud. And in an event that something happens, we're going to retrieve it going online, and we're going to get the history of your device, and that's how we're going to assist you. But if your phone gets cracked whilst you don't have our software, you are in trouble.
Okay, I think for me, business it's about numbers or figures. If I'm correct, you said you repaired 260 phones and you made 15,000. Am I correct? Maybe just correct me. There's somewhere where you spoke about 260 years and raised 15,000. Am I reading it correctly? So when I work it backward, it then calculates that you were making about 57 rand per repair.
Please answer the question.
Is that also correct?
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the question. Well, our prices differ. Other people, they come with the problem of a charging unit. For us to repair a charging unit, we just charge 50 rand. That one is just of a type of a micro, and if you want a type C, we charge 100 rand. If you are having an iPhone, we charge 150 rand. So we are affordable, and most of our clients, they are students, so we have to accommodate them because of we know the financial struggles, and them having NSFAS funding, it means that they are also breadwinners, so we can't be expensive for now. And even for repairing an iPhone 7 LCD, I do it in the original just for 500. So please, if you have a problem, I'm your guy.
Thank you very much. I like your presentation. Thank you very much. Tell me, do you have other companies that are similar to how you are operating using AI that you know of?
Well, at the moment, it's only Samsung that is currently trying to work towards this initiative, but they are not using AI. They are using their own system that they have created. So this one is very new. The market does not know it. It's my new, fresh idea that is going to change the world.
Okay. just to caution, when you are in business, you must just be careful not to provide a social kind of a service type. Ne? You are there to make profit. So you must charge for the work and the service that you provide.
Thank you for the advice. Diyabulela tata.
Do we have any more questions from our judges? All right, no questions. Thank you so much. A warm round of applause for Mr. Pagamile Zangwa.
Kanikahlele nithi Zangwa.
All right, thank you so much, Pagamile, for your presentation. Now we're going to get into a pitching contest, right, within the audience. Please join me on stage. You can come with it.